हम बात ही कर रहे हैं तो आज पूरी बात कर ही लेते हैं।
Ever since its launch in 1999, Kurkure has become one of India's most loved family binder, conspiring with homemakers to find candid, naughty ways that bring a family a bit more closer each time a packet of Kurkure is opened. Today, the homemaker's need from Kurkure has become bigger than just fun. For one fine day, she woke up and found that her family had stopped conversing with each other. Well, almost.
फैमिली में सब ऊपर से बात करते हैं, असली बात तो कोई करता ही नहीं है एक दूसरे से।
Now she needs to find a way to get her family to start talking again. She needs to get the house buzzing with fun and laughter so that everyone starts feeling a little bit closer and a little more deeply connected again. But what creates the drift in the first place? Little everyday conflicts. Differences of opinion, maybe the generation gap, or the unputdownable technology and social networks. Sometimes they're all just hanging around, yet too busy.
क्या बात करनी है तुम्हें?
Or they don't know what to say, or they aren't in the mood, or they're talking to someone else altogether. Even if they talk, it's boringly monosyllabic or frustratingly lame
मैं अपने प्राण त्याग
or just murderously correct.
आंटी,
हाँ?
वो बटर नाइफ है।
And starts an unstoppable parade of crunchy, crispy, noisy, stimulating snacks. It adds noise to the moment that shatters the silence. It gets some buzz going. And family conversations erupt. Some sparked by bold spice. Some by the taste that is playfully fun. Lo and behold, the conversations start. And what do you think happens next?
Gujariya, show me how to party.
The homemaker yet again manages to ignite candid, naughty, tongue-in-cheek family conversations and fun that brings the family a little more closer every time packets of Kurkure are opened. Indian family flicks still have happy, chatty endings, though nowadays, the Kurkure way. The way we and our consumers have known Kurkure, it has never been anything less than explosive. And our consumers will get nothing less from Kurkure's new entry. With a fancier costume change and better bag impression, the campaign will kick off with some thought-provoking branded teasers to get the buzz going, led by digital, local radio and mobile media. And what follows next is the full blast of the campaign on TV. Consumers will for the first time see Kurkure not as masala munch, but as a crispy, crunchy, noisy and irresistible lineup of stimulating savory snacks. And the homemaker today will not just have one, but a battery of Kurkure snacks as her ally in starting family conversations and once again glue the family a little bit more deeply every time packets of Kurkure are opened. As a part of the relaunch, Kurkure Colette will for the first time launch 2 exclusive and authentic South flavors, Thiyal and Malabari. And a lot of noise about it will be made down south. Cranking up the decibel meter further will be our billboards, outdoor media, radio, retail, social media engagements and PR noise. Mobiles will ring in the change too. During our relaunch, Kurkure will also announce its launch of namkeens with a big shebang in retail. We will go hammer and tongs in promoting Kurkure namkeens through heavy sampling and cross-promotions with one of our beverage brands. Lending further excitement to the relaunch will be on-ground consumer promotions and taste challenges on Kurkure namkeens and Colettes. Last but not the least, we will ignite renewed motivation for our sales forces by offering handsome incentives to sell more. This Kurkure relaunch will mark the beginning of the brand's journey from a successful and much-loved North Indian Colette brand to a universally loved pan-Indian salty snacking master brand both in thought and in market. Over the next few years, Kurkure's endeavor will be to become the homemaker's ally in every Indian home, providing her with an enviable spread of crunchy, crispy, stimulating, familiar and innovative savory snacks to fulfill her family's every snacking need. The relaunch campaign will just be the beginning that will signal the Kurkure Renaissance. Throughout the year, we will keep making noise with our product, promotions and communication initiatives. Premium crossover snacks like Sandwich Matri and Golmol Pops will all be launched during the year. Keeping our promise to excite and form alliance with the homemakers in every region, Kurkure will develop Southern Namkeens in strategic alliance with Shri Krishna Sweets, starting off with mini Tatais and finger murkus. In keeping with palate preferences of South Indian consumers, we will introduce Solid Masti in the southern markets and take the fight right up to the competition's doorstep. We will excite the West with regional copies on Kurkure Solid Masti. We will scale up Butter Masti during the year and continue putting media weights behind it. Besides that, Solid Masti Masala Triangles will be launched through TV and other media. Kurkure's 2016 festive campaign will keep Kurkure buzzing right till the end of the year. The festive campaign will also have a consumer promotion to increase Kurkure transaction during the festive period. On Kurkure Puffed, we will launch all new loudspeakers, a tangy flavor of puff corn and scale up crunchy rings all in the first quarter of 2016. The Puffed Inserts promos will continue to run through the year, but concepts will be refreshed every quarter and communicated via promo shots. And there's so much more to come. Kurkure will be breaking the silence over and over again, creating buzz and sparking conversations amongst us and among Indian families across the length and breadth of the country. Even if you forget to listen in, you just won't be able to miss it.